Have you ever wondered which cryptocurrency could make the biggest impact in the coming years and help you build serious wealth through future trading? Every investor dreams of finding that one coin that not only grows in value but also holds strong potential for long-term sustainability. The crypto market is full of thousands of coins, each promising innovation and high returns, but not all of them will survive the test of time. In this video, we're going to uncover the best cryptocurrencies for future trading and how you can position yourself to take advantage of the next major wave in the digital asset revolution. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest crypto insights and market strategies. If you want to stay ahead of trends, learn how to invest wisely, and understand which projects truly matter in the long term, then this channel is exactly where you need to be. Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Secrets, where we break down the smartest strategies for building lasting wealth through cryptocurrency. The first step in identifying the best crypto coins for future trading is understanding what future trading actually means. In simple terms, crypto futures trading allows investors to speculate on the future price of a cryptocurrency without actually owning the coin. It's a contract between two parties that agrees to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price and date in the future. This gives traders the opportunity to profit from both upward and downward market movements. However, because futures involve leverage, the risk is also higher, which means that choosing the right coin is absolutely critical. You don't want to trade on hype, you want to trade on strength, liquidity, and long-term fundamentals. When it comes to the most reliable and profitable coins for future trading, the list starts with Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin remains the king of the crypto world. It has the highest market capitalization, the strongest community, and the deepest liquidity. Almost every major exchange supports Bitcoin futures, which means trading is smoother, price movements are more predictable, and large positions can be managed with lower slippage. Bitcoin also reacts strongly to macroeconomic trends such as inflation, central bank policies, and institutional adoption. As governments and financial institutions continue to integrate Bitcoin into their systems, its volatility can provide excellent opportunities for experienced traders. Next on the list is Ethereum, ETH, the foundation of the decentralized finance ecosystem. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform that powers thousands of decentralized applications, NFTs, and smart contracts. With the ongoing upgrades to Ethereum 2.0, including proof of stake and scalability improvements, the network is becoming faster and more energy efficient. This makes ETH a top choice for both long-term investors and future traders. Ethereum futures are among the most liquid in the market, and price movements often mirror major developments in the DeFi and NFT sectors. As more institutions begin to recognize Ethereum's real-world applications, it continues to hold a strong position in any professional trader's portfolio. Beyond the two giants, there are several altcoins that have shown consistent performance and potential for future trading. One such project is Solana, SOL. Known for its high-speed transactions and low fees, Solana has become a favorite among developers and investors. It supports a growing ecosystem of DeFi platforms and blockchain games, making it one of the most innovative projects in the space. Solana futures trading has gained momentum because of its volatility and strong market interest, giving traders multiple entry and exit opportunities throughout the week. Another strong contender is Binance Coin, BNB, the native token of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. BNB plays a key role in transaction fee discounts, token burns, and the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Because Binance is such a dominant player in global trading volume, BNB's price movements often align closely with market sentiment and overall exchange activity. For traders, this means predictable patterns and consistent volume, both essential for effective futures trading. In addition, Binance continues to expand its utility and influence, ensuring that BNB remains relevant for years to come. One coin that has surprised many analysts and continues to attract attention is Chainlink. Chainlink provides decentralized oracles, which are essential for connecting real-world data to smart contracts. This function makes Chainlink the backbone of many blockchain projects that rely on accurate data feeds. As more financial institutions and blockchain networks integrate real-world data into decentralized systems, Chainlink's demand is expected to rise significantly. This fundamental strength creates excellent long-term potential for traders who focus on both technical and fundamental indicators. For those looking to diversify their trading portfolio further, Polygon, Matic, is another coin worth considering. It acts as a scaling solution for Ethereum, reducing congestion and transaction fees while improving overall performance. Polygon's network growth, strong developer base, and frequent partnerships with major brands have kept it in the spotlight. Its volatility and trading volume make it one of the more active assets in futures markets, providing multiple trading opportunities daily. Now that we've discussed some of the best coins for future trading, it's important to understand the strategy behind successful futures investing. Unlike spot trading, where you buy and hold, futures require careful planning, proper leverage management, and risk control. Over-leveraging can lead to massive losses, even in small market swings. The key is to use leverage responsibly, set stop-loss levels, and focus on quality trades rather than quantity. Always analyze market trends, follow global economic news, and keep an eye on Bitcoin's movement, as it often dictates the direction of the entire crypto market. Another crucial point to consider is liquidity. When trading futures, you need assets with high liquidity because they allow smooth entry and exit from positions without massive price impact. Coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum are perfect examples of highly liquid assets that can handle large trades without excessive slippage. Altcoins like Solana, BNB, and Polygon also have strong liquidity on major exchanges, but smaller or lesser-known coins can be dangerous for futures due to unpredictable price gaps. The future of crypto trading in India and around the world is bright, but regulation will play a significant role. As governments start to formalize crypto policies and exchanges adopt stricter compliance frameworks, futures trading will likely become more secure and widely accessible. Institutional investors are already showing growing interest in crypto derivatives, which adds more stability and maturity to the market. For individual traders, this means more opportunities with lower risks over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Tell us which coins you believe hold the greatest potential for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming videos on cryptocurrency trading, investing, and wealth building strategies. This has been Crypto Millionaire Secrets, where knowledge meets opportunity, and every lesson brings you one step closer to financial freedom through crypto investing. See you in the next video.